What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 23 of the Webull Options Adventures, where our goal is to basically sell options and collect that premium. So right now I have actually been behind on my updates for my Webull portfolio, so sorry about that, guys. I am trying to catch up with you guys now with this video update, so hopefully I'll catch you up on that. But right now the portfolio is down a lot, especially because the overall market is quite in the red. It's been super volatile, and you know, we're down actually a lot more because we have been playing it a little bit more aggressive. But I have been selling some covered calls. I've been collecting not a lot of premium, but I've been collecting some crumbs, and those crumbs will add up until we eventually recover, and then we start making a lot more money. I'm going to show you guys where I'm at, and then hopefully we can go from there. So currently the portfolio is at $36,803.39. As you'll see that we are down about $20,000. That's about almost 36%. And right now our cash balance is at $1,598.47. So we do have a small amount of buying power. But right now we can't really sell any more cash secured puts until I get some more cash balance. Right now all I've been doing is selling covered calls, and they've actually been covered calls that are under my cost basis because the stocks have just been tanking, the ones that I've been doing it on. But remember that when you do sell cash secured puts, meaning that you want to buy 100 shares, you do want to do it on companies that you wouldn't mind holding, that you wouldn't panic sell, because then that is when you lose money. So you'll see that some of these stocks that I am down quite a bit, so I have not panicked and sold. They will recover, so we will see what happens with that. But you'll see that we do have 200 shares of Mara. We're actually down 51%, so I'm still not gonna basically sell. I'm actually selling covered calls under my cost basis. My cost basis is at like $47, so you'll see how much we're down. But I did sell 2 covered calls at a strike price of $33, so that is definitely under my cost basis. So $47. It actually did expire on the 14th of May. We're on the 17th. I'm recording this on a Sunday. I'll probably publish this video right around either Monday or Tuesday, depending on when I get to it, to edit it and then upload it. But I wanted to actually record this on a Sunday because remember that Webull will update this, basically the activities on the portfolio. So all these covered calls that I'm showing you currently, these will get refreshed on basically Monday morning of the next week. So on the 17th of May, which is expired on the 14th, I guess the 18th would be Monday, but Monday we'll get all of this refreshed at the very early morning before the market does open. But you'll see that basically it will expire worthless because if we look at the cost, or I guess the current stock price of Mara is at $23.08. Our strike price is $33. So basically this expired worthless, and we collected 12 cents. So that is $12. So that is times 2. We made about $24 there. So right now I am selling under my cost basis. If basically what this means is that I am going to have to manage the trades, and if for some reason Mara does start going back up, I might have to end up rolling my covered calls into a higher strike price and a longer expiration date. So if I do have to end up doing that, I will try to record a video so you guys can see what I'm doing there. So the next one we do have here is 100 shares of Palantir. You'll see that we are down basically about almost 20%. So we do have it at a cost basis of $24.97. And then I actually sold a covered call at a strike price of $23. It actually expired this Friday, which was the 14th. It actually expired worthless. We sold it, collected a premium of 8 cents. So that is, remember, 8 cents times 100. One contract is 100 shares, so we collected $8. And basically this expired worthless because the current, basically on Friday, the stock price of Palantir closed at $20.08, and our strike price was $23, so it never reached that. So basically we kept the premium. So the next one here, guys, is we do have 8 shares of Tesla, and we are down about 22%. So we'll see what happens with this one. I'm basically just gonna have to hold these 8 shares of Tesla. And the next one over here, there's another one where we're down quite a bit. This one we have 100 shares of Beyond Meat. Our cost basis is around $172, and current stock price is at $104.97. So that is we're down about 39%, and we actually sold a covered call, and we sold it at a strike price of $120. It actually expired this past Friday, and it expired worthless. We collected 20 cents, so $20, and that is basically it for that, because the stock price of Beyond Meat closed on Friday at $104.97, so definitely nowhere near our strike price, so we just kept that premium. So this one I am going to continue to sell covered calls. We'll see what happens with this one as well until it recovers. And the last one here we do is we have actually 400 shares of NEO. I actually sold a cash secured put one of the previous weeks, and I ended up getting assigned 100 shares, so I was trying to lower my cost basis, but then NEO continued to drop even further, so we will eventually see NEO recover, so I'm definitely not worried about this. It's just in the short term we might not be able to collect a lot of premium. Hopefully next week I will be able to sell some covered calls on NEO. We'll see what happens with that, but right now the current price of NEO is at $33.42. Our current cost basis is around $51 or so. But this is actually all I have for you guys on this video on the Webull app. I'm actually going to jump over to the Google Sheets, and then I will actually show you guys all the trades that we did in this past 2 weeks, and show you all the crumbs that I collected in premium. So let's go ahead and jump over to that. Alright guys, so we are here at the Google Sheets, and you'll see that basically this is our dashboard. I'm going to show you guys exactly how much we made so far for the couple past weeks. So this has been 2 weeks since I've done the update. I want to show you guys the first week of May actually. So this started on the 3rd of May, and it basically ended on the 7th of May. So we collected a total of $101.91. You'll see that we did collect in premium $101.91. We actually didn't purchase anything back, and we didn't get no capital appreciation. So this was all just selling basically I think a cash secured put, and actually we got a dividend from AT&T. So that one is because we met the ex-dividend date. Even though we don't have the 100 shares of AT&T anymore, you still collect that dividend as long as you held it on that ex-dividend date. The next one here is the 10th all the way till the 15th. Well, I guess the 14th. And we actually made $51.64 in premium. We actually didn't purchase anything back, nothing in capital appreciation, so total we made is $51.64. So remember that these are all crumbs, and if I actually look over here at the weekly performance, you'll see that week 48 is what we ended up making. So this brought our total to $58,091.43. Week 49, $51.64, brought it up to $58,143.07. So this is assuming, basically this is a collection of our total premiums collected plus our initial investment. So if I look over here, you'll see that overall we've collected $11,723.73 so far for the year. So this is exciting. For the average week so far, it's been about $617, so every single week. That's basically going to continue to go down until we actually start recovering and we can actually collect a higher premium. But if we continued on this trend, we would make about $32,000 at the end of the year. And then for our total invested, which is what you guys already saw, $58,143.07. And our current return so far is about 25%, 25.26%. So that is pretty awesome, especially because we are barely in May. We're about to be in June, so that is, we still have about 6 months more to go. And so I think we can still meet our goal. Our goal is basically to try to get about 30%. Hopefully we can reach that and actually get a lot higher before the end of the year. So we'll see how that ends. I'm really excited to see how this plays out. Remember, if you do sell options, make sure that you do them on companies that you don't mind end up selling or that you mind holding. So definitely take that into consideration, because right now we are going into this very volatile market, and that is where you see a lot of people losing money because they don't have any conviction and decide to end up selling. So you guys saw my portfolio, I'm down quite a bit. I'm not going to sell any of my shares, so we'll see how that works out. But over here on the credits, you'll see that the first one we actually did was AT&T. On the 3rd of May, we actually got an AT&T dividend and we collected $52. And then on the previous week, which was around May, the first week of May, we actually sold a cash secured put on NEO, and we sold it at a strike price of $38. We collected 50 cents times 100, which is $50, and then fees. So we collected a total of $49.91, and then we actually ended up getting assigned. And then the following week, we actually sold. This is where I actually started selling covered calls on the shares that I have. And I ended up deciding that I was going to sell below my cost basis so that I could start collecting some money, even though I would have to manage the trades a lot more. But we ended up selling 2 covered calls on Mara at a strike price of $33, which you guys saw. And we collected about 12 cents or $12 per contract, which was a total of about $24 minus 18 cents. And they actually expired worthless, which you guys saw earlier. And then we did the Beyond Meat covered call, and we collected about almost $20. Palantir, we collected almost about $8. They all expired worthless. And if I show you guys over here in the debit, you'll see that basically the first week of May, we ended up getting assigned those 100 shares of NEO that we sold the cash secured put. So this one is still open. It brought down our cost basis though. And then over here for the gains, we actually didn't do anything for these past 2 weeks there. Our current buys right now are still the 8 shares of Tesla that we are holding. We'll see how that plays out. And yeah, this is actually all I have for you guys. Thanks so much for watching till the very end. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification if you haven't done so already. And I will try to make sure that I keep you guys up to date every single week. Even though our portfolio is down, we will continue to collect that small crumbs until we eventually recover. But we are not panicking. We are going to continue to make that profit. But anyways, be sure to drop a big thumbs up on the video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.